Okay, this is 2144 Haggard Loop. You also have an extra pad on the side of the house with an access door. So lots of parking. Off to the left, you have a dining room or an office. And then in here, the same thing. The kitchen is through this door. Here's the living room, garage and laundry are this way. Have a big open kitchen. This is granite countertops. Pantry. This light fixture is mixed up. We'll continue back this way. The big laundry room. And garage. They have epoxied the floor in the garage. It's nice and spacious. Extra bedroom. And then on this side of the house is your master. So, a nice big room here. The bathroom is really big. You have a double vanity. Tub. Tile-in shower. And then you have a his and hers closet. So, they do have built-ins. Separate little room, linen closet here. And in my opinion, this is the best feature. A really cute screened-in porch right here, so you have access to green space and a shed on the left side. And on the right side, we have this hot tub and pool. A cute pergola.